Can you imagine there are about 3.3 million adult Canadians, that's almost 1 in 7, that have difficulty going to sleep and actually staying asleep? Just for curiosities, for you who like statistics, the average person sleeps about 27 years in one lifetime. That's about a third of your life you're spending when you're in bed. So why is sleep so important to everyone? Well, sleeps play an important role in your physical health. It's involving when you sleep in the healing and the repairing of your heart and blood vessels, and a lot of detoxification through the liver. Studies actually show that sleeps play a critical role in your immune function, metabolism, memory, even learning. So as we all know, we have been under a lot of stress. The pandemic has been around for a lot of months, and that can seriously interfere with your job, your health, your personal life, even your inability to concentrate on things you were able to do and tasks easily is affected now. And it's been affected also in resulting in things like colds, body aches, memory loss, and also people falling asleep and staying awake. So lack of sleep has been associated with many different disorders. Obesity, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, depression, irritability are some of the more known ones correlated with lack of sleep. So many people can resort to drugs. Many people are looking now to not see the side effects of drugs. They're now looking for natural supplements. So how can natural supplements help with insomnia? Well, let's take, for example, a multivitamin. It's got vitamin A, vitamin C, E, it's got minerals, it's got trace minerals. They all are needed to help cope with stress, especially with insomnia. Studies have shown that people with higher levels of vitamin C had better sleep health than those without vitamin C. In fact, we cannot store vitamin C, so we need to take it on a regular basis. Also, low levels of vitamin D in your blood, when you do your blood work, they have been shown to correlate with higher risk of sleep disturbances, poorer sleep quality, and reduced sleep duration. Also, when you look at vitamins, very important, B vitamins. We all know that they're very good for the central nervous system. But in B vitamins, they help to regulate the body's level of something called tryptophan. It's an amino acid important for maintaining healthy sleep. In particular, vitamin B5 and also vitamin B12 and also vitamin B9, known as folic acid, these three vitamins do help with insomnia. There's also a mineral called magnesium. We have all heard of magnesium and calcium working together to help them build strong bones. But did you know that magnesium plays a role in the metabolism of muscle health and actually helps to manage sleep, improve sleep quality? Because why? It increases something called a neurotransmitter known as GABA that promotes sleep, which encourages relaxation as well as sleep. We also have melatonin. Melatonin is a key factor in how human sleep is regulated by the exposure to light or to darkness. So what is melatonin? Well, it's a natural hormone, and we actually make it in the brain, and its body's making it through the pineal gland. And that is indicated for improved sleep, insomnia, jet lag, or even shift work. So bright lights like TV, computers, cell phones, they inhibit the release of melatonin, because this is why melatonin is sometimes called the Dracula of hormones. It only comes out in the dark. And some studies have shown that there's promise for the use of melatonin in shortening the time it takes to fall asleep and reducing the amount of wakenings during the nighttime. So I'd like to leave you on some tips to manage stress and also how to mitigate insomnia. We talked about multivitamins, B, C, D, magnesium, melatonin, but key tips are eat well, exercise, relaxation, and it's important for you to decrease stimulants, things like caffeine and nicotine, and absolutely avoid sugar. Stick to a routine. Try to stick to a routine 7 days a week. And before you go to bed, make sure turn off all electronics. Close the blinds and the curtains. Make sure your room is well ventilated and dark so you can have the release of melatonin. So I would like to also show you breathing exercises. It's called the physical as well as the mental exercise. And you can do this by, it's called a 2-to-1 nostril breathing. So if I may demonstrate that, for maybe 3 seconds, we're gonna inhale, and for 6 seconds, we're gonna exhale. So we start off with inhalation, 3 seconds. Followed by exhalation, 6 seconds. And if you repeat that 3 times, you can do it every hour on the hour. That will help to relax and help with breathing. And don't forget, please subscribe to our FCN YouTube channel to learn more about more seminars and about how you can achieve your overall wellness. Thank you very much.